Esigodini sikaMamenzela we ezimnyama ngenkani continued their blemish-free starts in this year's Betway Premiership, walking away with a victory against Usuthu, and it's the stars of the DStv Diski Challenge who shone once again. Parania.
Once always, Sis Lindy. This is the display of what we call mob justice football under the leadership of Jose Luis Rivero. To our viewers and some of our panel members, this statement might have caused some material that contain chest pain. It's 5-all WWWW. So we have new combination of Uthabso Sesane together with Nkosinathi Sibisi, because other people, they talk about the depths of our squad. So
yes,
we are not being there, so we managed to bring Usibisi.